To begin, raise your wiper arm into the upright position. To remove your old wiper blade, begin by pulling up on the tab. Pull the wiper blade towards your vehicle until it detaches from the arm. Some force may be required. For your convenience, the adapter required for this installation is already pre-installed. To install your new blade, begin by pulling up on the tab. Tilt the blade away from the arm while bringing the adapter to the hook. Pull up on the blade until you hear an audible click. Close the tab to finish the installation. Lower your wiper arm, placing the blade gently onto the windshield. We recommend you test run your wipers to make sure they function as expected.